Queens personal injury attorney Keetick L Sanchez. After an accident in Queens, you need clear answers and personal attention from the start. At L Sanchez Law Office, PC, Keetick L Sanchez is personally involved from the first consultation through the final settlement. You work with the founding attorney rather than being passed to an inexperienced associate. Clients describe strong communication, personal attention, and a no-pressure approach throughout the process. A personal injury case in New York arises when someone is harmed due to another person's or entity's negligence, recklessness, or intentional conduct. To recover compensation, you generally must prove duty of care, breach, causation, and damages. Duty of care means the other party had a legal obligation to act reasonably under the circumstances. Breach means they failed to meet that obligation. Causation means the breach directly caused your injuries. Damages means you suffered actual harm, such as medical needs, lost income, or other losses. A Queens personal injury attorney can help investigate the accident, gather evidence, and build a claim that ties these elements together. Queens injury cases often involve car accidents, construction injuries, slip and falls, and pedestrian or bicycle collisions. Car accident claims in New York start with the no-fault system, where your own insurance covers initial medical expenses regardless of fault. If your injuries meet the serious injury threshold under insurance law section 5102(d), you may pursue a claim against the at-fault driver for additional compensation. Construction accidents can involve strong protections under New York labor law, including section 240, often called the scaffold law, and section 241(6), tied to industrial code safety rules. Slip and fall claims generally require proof that a property owner knew or should have known about a dangerous condition and failed to correct it. Queens also sees serious pedestrian and bicycle injuries when drivers fail to yield, run red lights, or drive distracted near busy areas. New York follows pure comparative negligence under CPLR section 1411, meaning you can recover even if you were partly at fault, but your award is reduced by your percentage of fault. Insurance adjusters work for the insurance company, and common tactics include quick settlement offers, requests for recorded statements, broad medical record authorizations, surveillance, and delay tactics. The source advises not to give recorded statements or sign broad authorizations without speaking with an attorney first. Damages in Queens injury cases can include economic losses like medical expenses, future medical care, lost wages, lost earning capacity, property damage, and out-of-pocket costs. Non-economic damages can include pain and suffering, emotional distress, loss of enjoyment of life, loss of consortium, and disfigurement. The source notes New York generally does not have a statutory cap on pain and suffering damages in typical personal injury cases. For most personal injury claims, New York's statute of limitations is 3 years from the accident date under CPLR section 214, but claims involving government entities can require a notice of claim within 90 days. L Sanchez Law Office, PC also offers a mobile law office so the team can meet clients who cannot easily travel due to injury or scheduling issues. Spanish-speaking clients can communicate with bilingual staff to help avoid misunderstandings during an important time. If you need guidance from a law firm that prioritizes communication and personal involvement, talk with your personal injury lawyer about what happened and what deadlines may apply. You can also ask how the law firm handles insurance communications so you can focus on recovery while your lawyer's office manages the claim process described in the source. If you want to discuss your situation and the next steps, contact L Sanchez Law Office, PC at 646-701-7990 or visit 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States.